Welcome class. In your IT subject we are going to discuss today working with MS Access 2007. Well, why we are using Access? We are using Access to maintain the database in the organized way, in the presentable manner, which help us to manage and access the large amount of data or information whenever we need it quickly and efficiently. Well, unknowingly, we are maintaining data in the Excel as well. Then why we need Access? Well, Excel needs for calculation purpose, like complex calculation as well as easy uh, calculation, but Access is mainly used for storing your database in the organized manner with the help of tables, fields, records, data. Now, Microsoft Access, every version is the best version. We start from 2007, like for example telephone directory and the dictionary and the other address books are there, where we keep the record in a large amount, and pertaining this, time to time we are accessing this information according to our need as well. So in Access, what is so important? Well, like we wanted to maintain, MS Access basically is a powerful program to create and manage your database. So we build this software, or we use this software for constructing and viewing the information about the particular field, about the particular person's record. If we need to find out, we access the information easily. For example, your school record, hospital records, and in the records what we are maintaining, like the person name, the guardian name, the parent name, or the address, telephone number, or what is done, like what kind of information, like if we are submitting fee, so how many months fee is recorded. All these can be done in the one statement and one go. And if we want information regarding the full access of a particular individual person or anything, so we are going to search electronically. Are we going to search with the magnifying glass, opening register and book? No. The easiest manner, we have the digital world, the digital things in our hands to maintain these all kind of record. Well, particularly one format I have shown you, where the company, the name of the company, the email ID, the job title, the business phone, and so on, customer details can be maintained, and these table can be made and linked together. Well, a computerized record keeping system in a collection of programs that enable to store, modify, extract information, that is known as database, which also known as database management system. This is full is a management system of your data. So there are two types of database mainly which needs to be maintained. A flat file database, which refers the data as files that contains record which have a small or fixed number of field, without any structured relationship, like MS Excel, that we use with the MS Excel. But when we need to use and maintain the large amount of data, we use relational database management system. That is the another type of database where we maintain several tables, links, and pieces of information in a particular slot of table. So that this is the main difference between Excel and Access use. So students, till here learning your first part of information, will be providing you second part of information soon. Thank you.